everyone! Hello! Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own dream catcher. Super woodland one. Mine is up there, hanging right there. Here's a picture. This is my front yard. I'm gonna need to ask the wonderful earth if I can take some of the branches. We're gonna need 6 straight branches for the dream catcher. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please let me take these beautiful branches. Gotta do it with 2 hands. I can't just do it with one. Wait, foot. Ta-da! Thank you. What you'll need is a hot glue gun, pen, glue, string, and then optionally rope or thick cord, which I used shoelaces, colored string, paint, and paper. The first thing you're gonna need to do is set out your hexagon in my case, into a shape that is even on each side. Then you're gonna take your hot glue gun and glue in the middle so it stays. Next, what you're gonna do is get this string and wrap it around the 2 points of the sticks. If it comes apart, well, mine did. Then you just have to re-glue it. Then, after you wrap all of the string around each corner, then you're gonna glue the middle part so the string stays intact. Now that you have the basis for your dream catcher, it's time to pick a color of your choice. Alright, so I've picked my navy blue as my string color. Then you're gonna need to take your pen and mark 12 spaces around the basis of your structure, evenly spaced. After that, you can go to the first one and tie your string around the first line. When you've done and gone all the way around with your string and you're back at the first point, you're going to need to stop and hot glue it right at where the strings are crossing. This will make it stay. Then after you hot glue it, you're going to want to keep going around, but this time instead of at the lines, you're going to go in the middle of each of the lines. So here I'll do the first one. See this one? We're gonna go under the string, and then like the other time we're gonna go over that. Oops. Oh no, it's stuck. Okay, there. And then pull it till it's in the middle. Ta-da! When you've gone all the way around, at the end, you're gonna get the next one in the middle of the first and the second loop of the strings. And like last time, you're gonna wanna take your hot glue gun and glue it so it doesn't come unraveled. Once you've gone about halfway around to the middle, you need to make 6 long strips of paper. Then we're going to wrap them around the Sharpie and make them into beads so you can put them on your dream catcher. When the beads are dry, you can put them onto the string and then onto the dream catcher. When you're done, it'll look like this because you'll put every bead on the second string rather than every single one. That's why we have 6 instead of 12. Then, when you're done, we're gonna go to the middle of the strings without the beads. So it'd be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. And then keep going all the way into the middle. Finally, we just have to wrap the rope around the outside. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when it's done. It took me a really long time, but hopefully it didn't take you that long. If it's not perfect, that is okay. Mine definitely isn't. Anyway, nature isn't always super symmetrical and absolutely perfect, so it gives it character anyway. I hope you liked this video. I can make more craft things like this, if I find any, in the future. Thanks for watching. Oh, there's a carrot. What?